Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you change your address in Wise. So it's pretty much straightforward, guys. So what you have to do is log into your Wise account. So once you have logged into your Wise account, on your top right, click on your name. So once you click on your name, you'll see an option called Your Details. So click on Your Details, right? So once you click on your details, you'll see your details here. So what you're going to do is next click on edit details. So click on edit details and it's going to ask you your password for verification before you edit any of your personal details. So type in your password, your Wise account password. So once you've typed in that, now it will let you edit your details. So all you have to do is go to your personal address here, your personal address information here. So now here you can make changes or edit whatever your address is that you wish to make changes, your address details. So once you have done that, all you have to do is click on save. So once you click on save, then boom, your address is now changed on Wise. So that's what it is. It's pretty much straightforward, like I said. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.